Hello everyone, you are welcome my YouTube channel SoElectronics and my name is Argodip Devnath. Let's start this video. In the previous video, I already show you that this PSU unboxing, and this is a Clarion JM-PS-920. It is actually the 800 watt power supply, and I am already show you that this power supply can handle the 800 watt, and I already show you the calculation of this power supply or PSU or SMPS, whatever you can say. And today we have another PSU, and this is the Frontech. It is also the 800 watt, already written the 800 watt PSU. It also comes with this the 3-year manufacturing warranty, but in this Clarion case it comes with the 1-year warranty, and this PSU comes with the 3-year warranty. Why you don't purchase this Frontech PSU and why you need to purchase this Clarion PSU? And if you can see here the overcurrent protection, it is also present in this Clarion. Over voltage protection, it is also present in the Clarion. Short circuit protection, it is also present in the Clarion. 120mm smart cooling fan, it is also present in this Clarion. But why you need to purchase this Clarion? Power connector, this is the power cable, this is the main unit. One extra things you can get on this PSU package, that is a screw. This case is a much more stronger from the Clarion PSU, but what is the compromise? You cannot see any EMI filter inductor are not present in this PSU. See, this is a heavy inductor connected on the input section of this PSU. It reduces the spike on the line, so this PSU gives you better efficient power output. So it is the main compromise of this PSU. And another compromise is the intelligent fan controlling system. Here you can see intelligent fan controlling mentioned here, but in this PSU you cannot get any intelligent fan controlling system. That this system can easily measure your PSU temperature, and it can increase or decrease the fan speed, and this system will help to decrease the noise level of your PSU. This fan makes much louder noise from this Clarion JM-PS PSU. Let's check it out, the voltage and the build quality, and it is working or not. Here you can see the compromise. You can get only 3 SATA connector and the 2 Molex connector, but in this Clarion PSU you can get 4 Molex connector and the 4 SATA connector are present, and this is the 24-pin motherboard connector, this is the graphics card power connector, and this is the motherboard 12-volt power connector. So you can see the compromise. It has a 3 SATA connector and 2 Molex connector, but in the Clarion PSU has 4 SATA and 4 Molex. So if you not see my previous video, so link are given in the description. Let's check the voltage. It is the main packaging connector. Let's connect. Let's turn on the switch. If you need to turn on any PSU without motherboard, you need to short the green wire and the black wire here. So you can see here green and black wire, you need to short. I have a multimeter. This is the Mastec 830L multimeter, and this is the original multimeter. So I set my multimeter range on 20 volt. So here you can see easily see the voltage value, and I just connect this ground from the ground section of this PSU wire. So here you can see I'm just turn off this PSU and measure the green wire voltage. So here you can see the voltage 5.09. It's okay. This wire is a BSB line, and here you can check the BSB wire voltage 5.16 is okay. Let's turn on the power supply. Let's check the voltage 5.18 okay, 3.21 okay, and another okay, minus 11.34 almost okay. Need to test the 5 volt and 12 volt 5.20 okay, little bit higher than the 5 volt 11.90. It's okay. The PSU is totally fully okay. Let's do fan noise comparison between these two PSU. This is the compromise between these two PSU, and you can clearly check the winner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay happy, stay safe. See you next time on SoElectronics. Thank you.